we do have a conversation over Teams recently about how the things going with our first cohort of social work students.
Yeah.
And being the student representative council, you join me online and give me some input,
Yeah.
which we take, as a constructive feedback. And students need some flexibility. That was the only thing you told me.
Yeah.
We are happy to have that flexibility to give to the students, as long as they are able to progress.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the most primary purpose of the students is to do the learning, and that they to allocate time. Without that, they can't really succeed. So we will work flexible way.
Yeah.
We are building our online capabilities and things to make that flexibility possible. Even if you miss a class, all the recording should be there to catch up with the classes.
Yep.
So your feedback is taken very seriously.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I just want to know your background, what you studied before, or when did you come to Australia to study this course?
I'm from India. I came to Australia in January 2023, like 2.5 years ago.
Okay.
I came to Sydney. I was studying Bachelor of Social Work in University of Newcastle.
Okay.
I stayed my first year there, and along with that, I did Certificate 3 in Individual Support, and I started working as a support worker. But then, due to some personal reasons, I had to move to Melbourne, and then I got transferred to this college. I got credits from my previous university, and then I started studying here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So you studied 1 year with another institution for the same course.
Yeah.
And then second and third year now
With IHM.
in
Yeah.
IHM. How do you find the comparing the quality of education or teachers' quality? Anything you want to compare
Yes, I actually.
in your experience? It
Yeah.
may not be 100%, but at least to know.
No, I actually compared it. So I was in a university there, and there were a lot of students in the class, like 200 people in a lecture, where you don't get the opportunity to like go to the teacher or ask a question. Like, you will be too embarrassed to raise your hand in a class of 200 people. But I find it really good here, because having a small cohort, you can actually like ask any questions that you have during the lecture. And I feel like the teachers are more available to you if you have any problems. So that's really good. And also, most of the classes in the university were online. So I had like very less face-to-face interaction with teachers. But here, I feel like you can interact more, and then you get to learn more, because in online sometimes you can get distracted, obviously. But in class, like, you have to be there, you are present there, you learn more things. And I think this should be important, as in social work you will be having more face-to-face interactions. So yeah, I find it good here.
Thank you. That's a very good feedback.
No worries.
I mean, we are always looking forward to see what are the other area we can improve. And I think maybe some of the things, like more engagement with the society, like organizations, like a lot of social work or community organizations are within Melbourne.
Yeah.
So we have a coordinator, which is Dr. Jody. She's working on that area to build more connection with the community organization within Melbourne to connect our students. So our goal is to basically to more engagement. I think as we progress, I think we could consider maybe more activities, or visiting different organizations, understanding more other areas. So the learning starts from classroom, but we need to go to the community, because that's the way we can practice a lot of things. And I think you are in the first practical placement now. That will be the big experience. But I think since you are in the caring industry, you already having that mindset. And our mission or our passion, our purpose is caring with passion. So we want to make sure that all our IHM students represent the college in the society with this purpose, caring with passion, or compassionate carer. Because being a social worker, you have to be very empathetic or compassionate to people, because they are in difficulties. So the main important factor we have to learn and practice is compassion. So our college is fully supportive, and we look forward to hearing from each one of you. How do you find, what kind of experience you gain, and maybe also how can we collaborate with such institutions more earlier, because the more earlier connections and collaboration will make the students well prepared for the placement in the future.
Yeah.
So thank you for sharing your time.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the success in your first clinical placement or practical placement.
Thank you.
And looking forward to see you all later.
Yeah, I'll
Thank
see
you.
you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Shai.
Thank you.